Introducing a new mobile salon investment opportunity.
Hey, the Mobile Salon bus I ordered is here.
That's right, mobile salons are here. You can now invest or franchise your very own mobile barbershop or beauty salon.
Come on, let's check it out. Hi, I'm Loma. I'm owner and head accountant of Business and Money Management. Here's the big news. We are now partnered with the Mobile Salon Network. What the Mobile Salon Network does is they take shuttle buses and they convert them into mobile barbershops and beauty salons. For the first time ever, the Mobile Salon Network is offering the ability to invest in their mobile barbershops and beauty salons. You're now able to invest in a recession-proof, 100% guaranteed business because everybody has hair and they're mobile. Imagine not having to drive to your barber or beauty salon, but instead having the mobile barbershop or beauty salon come to you. Using their Uber-like app, customers will be able to schedule mobile salons to come out to their homes, their churches, schools, workplaces, and more. Now, for a limited time only and for a limited number of people, the Mobile Salon Network is accepting investments in the following formats.
Hello, everyone. Here is an overview of our investment options, and then we will go into a breakdown. Option 1 provides a 5% annual return paid monthly from investments of $100,000 to $1 million, ideal for those eager to see returns from day one. Option 2 offers a 10% annual interest paid yearly, allowing you to reinvest or withdraw your principal after 12 months, guaranteed to outpace traditional bank yields of 1% to 4%. And finally, option 3 doubles your money with a 20% return after 5 years, backed by insured investments and diverse income streams like hair services, product sales, and advertising. Now let's jump over to Loma, one of our head accountants, to break all these numbers down for you.
Okay, if you would please take a look at the numbers to the right of the screen so we can give a brief breakdown of the mobile salon opportunity on offer. First, we have option 1, which offers a 5% return on investment, paid out annually as a 5% APY distributed monthly. This option is ideal for investors who are a little anxious or new to investing and want to start getting paid ASAP. With this plan, you'll receive monthly payouts starting from the very first month, offering a significant advantage over traditional banks and regular investments that typically yield a mere 0.01% to 0.05% per year. MOBALON investments start at 5% and go up to 20%, depending on the plan, and rest assured, all investments are safe and insured. Next, we have option 2, providing a 10% return on investment, paid annually as a 10% APY. This option is perfect for investors looking to make more money, as it guarantees an unheard of 10% return paid yearly to your bank account. You also have the flexibility to pull out your entire principal investment amount after any 12-month period. Compared to high-yield banks, CDs, and other traditional options that offer 1%, 2%, 3%, or even 4% a year if you're lucky, MOBALON offers a solid 10% per year, guaranteed. Finally, option 3 presents a 20% return on investment, paid after 5 years, effectively doubling your money. This option is designed for investors who want to take advantage of the best investment of them all. Our mobile salon buses are insured by actual insurance companies to ensure all investors' investments are protected. Multiple sources of income, including hair services, product sales, advertising, and more, are included to ensure payments, making this a secured, insured, and guaranteed opportunity.
All of these opportunities come with a 100% money-back guarantee and is backed by a multi-million-dollar mobile salon company and their product line. There are no products or services for you to manage because they are all managed and ran by the company. All you need to do is check in online on how much money your investment is making. Your returns are deposited into your bank account monthly or in one lump sum at the end of the year if you opted for the doubling your money. Think about it. You're now able to invest in the mobile salons, one of the fastest growing, most profitable business ventures in the industry. As of the making of this video, and depending on who all is signed up already, you don't have a lot of time. Call this number, 1-800-406-7711, or go online to MobileSalonNetwork.com to get more information. But don't take long, because this investment opportunity won't last long. I'm Loma with Business and Money Management and the Mobile Salon Network. I'd like to thank you for your time, and we'll see you at the top.